Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Honor 200 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar application. In it, choose day when we want to add our event, maybe 26th of July. We tap on it and there this plus icon. First step, you can add title of your event, what you need. Next step, you can add location of that if we need it. There we can set when event starts, in which time and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Reminder about our event, we can set more than one, and custom if we need it. And there we can add event to your friend's account on Gmail or group on Gmail, something like that. And there we can add description to our event. After you set all you need, we press this icon to save it and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!